Hello student, today I am going to do class 4th subject SST chapter 1, that is our country India. Our country India. Here India is a part of continent of Asia. Most of the India form a peninsula, which means it is surrounded by water on three sides. Okay, India is a unique in its physical and cultural diversity. It is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. The southern part of the India is peninsula, that is three sides of water. One side, that is in the east, you can see the Bay of Bengal. In Arabian Sea, it is in west, and Indian Ocean, it is in the south. On the north, there is a great Himalaya range form the boundary in the north, and it is the seventh largest country in size and second largest populated country in the world. Next is India inland surface. India is also known as Bharat and Hindustan. It is located on the north of equator. You can see in the picture that India is located on the north of equator, and the longest and the latitude of the country is prime meridian. Here you can see that the very big country, they extend from 3,214 km from Jammu and Kashmir and north to the south, and from the Jammu Kashmir to the Tamil Nadu, and from 2,993 km from Arunachal Pradesh in the east to Gujarat in the west. In picture you can see that from the north to the south, that is 3,214 km and crossing to the Tropic of Cancer. Now next is India has a great variation in landforms such as plain, desert, hills, plateau, lakes and river. On this basis, physical features. Our country is divided into 6 natural regions. In the picture you can see that on the north you can see, that is in the green color, you can see Himalaya. It is called as a northern mountain. In the middle of the India we say that northern plain. In the west side of the India, that is in the yellowish and grayish, we can see the great Indian desert. When we come to the central highland, in the south of the central highland we can see the southern plateau. After that we can see the eastern ghat and the western ghat. Both are called as a coastal plain, and that is the sixth one physical feature of India is island, that is Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar. Okay, the next topic is Indian states and union territory. India is the largest big country in that we have a large population, more than people living in India in the village, city and town. In order to work efficiently to take care of our people, India is divided into 29 states and 7 union territory. From that, the national capital of India is New Delhi. In that, the president, prime minister and central government ministers and official people living here. The next, you can see in the picture that there is a 28 states of India and 8 union territory in India. Okay, there are colorful states. Next topic is Indian climate and unit in diversity. India, even though a small country in terms of area, but hold a large population and susceptible to tropical monsoon and pleasant climate. The climate differs the place to place, and these places are very hot while some are cool. Some places receive little rainfall and some receive heavy rainfall. The people in India belong to different religions, tribes and race. They speak different languages, they wear different dresses, eat different foods. In spite of all these differences, we are all united and call ourselves India. There is a unity in diversity. Our country is a friendly country. Next, on the east, in the picture you can see the neighbor country of India. That is on the east, India is flanked by Pakistan and Afghanistan. On the east, Bangladesh and Myanmar, and China in the northeast of India. Nepal and Bhutan are in the north, and Sri Lanka is in India, neighbor to the south. The narrow kilometer wide channel of sea, Pearl Strait, and the Gulf of Mannar separating India from Sri Lanka. So, student, you can see the 9 neighboring country here, the name. In the northwest, Pakistan, Afghanistan with capitals, that is Pakistan, Islamabad, Afghanistan, Kabul. In the north of India, China, Bhutan, and Nepal. In the northeast, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and across sea, Maldives, and Sri Lanka is in the south of India. Okay, student, as I have completed with the chapter, thank you.